Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your daily dose of the most unique, trending, and useful tech on Amazon. If you're living in a small apartment, dorm, or travel frequently and hate the hassle of hand-washing delicates or baby clothes, today's compact solution might just be your new best friend. Meet the 15L upgraded large-capacity portable mini washer, a foldable washing machine designed specifically for deep cleaning small clothing items like underwear, socks, baby outfits, or even pet garments. And yes, this one comes in a stylish purple color that's anything but boring. Let's start with what makes this washer stand out. First, its 15-liter capacity is a big upgrade from older models that only held about 8 to 10 liters. That means more clothes per wash, fewer loads, and more time saved, all while keeping things ultra-compact. Second, the washer folds down flat when not in use, making it perfect for tight spaces like apartment bathrooms, dorm shelves, or hotel travel bags. When folded, it's just a few inches tall and easily fits into a drawer or under the sink. Inside the collapsible drum, you'll find a high-frequency ultrasonic turbine motor that produces intense water agitation. It deep cleans fabric fibers without damaging delicate clothing. This is especially great for items that shouldn't go in a full-size washer, like lingerie, babywear, or even reusable face masks. Operation couldn't be simpler. Just unfold it, add your clothes, water, and detergent, and select your preferred cleaning cycle. It also features intelligent auto-cycling to control the wash time, reducing water and power consumption. With just 15 minutes, you're done. Built from eco-friendly TPE materials, it's both BPA-free and safe for frequent use, an important point if you're washing clothes for babies or individuals with sensitive skin. The material is also strong and durable, so even with repeated folding and unfolding, this machine holds up well. Noise levels? Surprisingly low, making it ideal for dorms, shared apartments, or quiet environments. And at just 4 pounds, you can carry this washer from room to room or toss it into your car trunk if you're on the go. Who's this perfect for? College students, digital nomads, travelers, small families, and anyone who needs a fast, efficient, and space-saving laundry solution. If you've been hand-washing small loads or wasting water and energy on full-size machines, this mini washer will change the game. So if you're ready to take control of your laundry life without sacrificing space, this 15L foldable portable washing machine is worth every penny. It's affordable, efficient, and actually fun to use. You'll find the link to grab yours in the description below. And if this kind of smart, everyday tech is your vibe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Gadgetverse for more daily product reviews. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.